What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kairat. I'm a private math tutor. I'm based here in Hong Kong, and this channel is to educate you guys, to teach you some math techniques, and hopefully prepare you for exams. My story is quite simple. In my high school, primary school, middle school, I was very into mathematics. I went to study mathematics at university, and now I have graduated from university and I'm doing teaching full-time. And in this class we'll see 3 past paper problems in logarithms, and discuss them in detail. So without any further ado, let's go to the class. Alright, so the first question is taken from the May 2016 paper, and it's asking us to find integer values of m and n for which m minus n logarithm of 2 to the base of 3 is equal to 10 times logarithm of 6 to the base of 9. Now, as you can see, the bases are not the same, 3 and 9. Ideally, we want to make the bases equal. So, one little thing in this question is that base 3 and 9, these two bases are related to each other in a way that 9 is equal to 3 squared. So to solve this question, two very useful identities in logarithms are the following. Logarithm of a to the base of b is equal to 1 divided by logarithm of b to the base of a. And the second one is logarithm of a to the power of n and base b is equal to n multiplied by logarithm of a to the base of b. Alright, so using these two identities, formulas you can also say, we will solve this equation and write it in the following form: m minus n times logarithm of 2 to the base of 3. Now we're going to reverse this into the following form: logarithm of 9 to the base of 6. You saw how I changed this to numbers? And after this, m minus n logarithm of 2 to the base of 3 is equal to 10, 1 over. Now this 9 is 3 squared, so it will be logarithm of 3 squared, and the base is 6. Now the next step is m minus n logarithm of 2 to the base of 3 is equal to, now this 2, the power goes to the front, so it's gonna be equal to 2 logarithm of 3 and base 6. And then we're going to convert this 1 over logarithm 3 to the base of 6 into its original form. It will be m minus n logarithm of 3 to the base of 3 is equal to, now 10 divided by 2 is 5, so it will be 5 logarithm of 6 and the base is 3. Alright, now this n here will go to the power of 2. So the equation becomes m minus logarithm of 2 to the power of n, and then the base is 3 is equal to, and this 5 goes to the power of 6. So it will be a logarithm of 6 to the power of 5, and the base is 3. Alright? Now the next step is we're taking this logarithm to the right hand side. So m is equal to logarithm of basically this logarithm plus this logarithm. Now we will use the addition rule of logarithms, which becomes the multiplication inside. So meaning it will be logarithm of 6 to the power of 5, and by the way the base is 3 here, multiplied by 2 to the power of n. And then the next step is to write it in the form of 3 to the power of m is equal to 6 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of n. Yep, okay. And which is equal to, now 6 to the power of 5 is equal to 3 to the power of 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5. The reason is 6 is equal to 3 times 2, and then times 2 to the power of m here. Alright, so this is equal to 3 to the power of 5 times 2, 5, and n gives us n plus 5. Alright, so the left hand side now has 3m, the right hand side has 3 to the power of 5 times 2n plus 5. Alright, by comparing the powers, m is equal to 5. So then it will be m equals to 5. Now the right hand side has n plus 5 as a power of 2, but the left hand side doesn't have any power of 2, which means n plus 5 is equal to 0, and which in turn means n is equal to negative 5. So this is the answer. M is equal to 5 and n is equal to negative 5. Yay, so we have solved the first question. Hope it was easy, but if there is any confusion, let me know down below in the comments if I can elaborate. Now let's go to the second question. This is 2017 May paper, and basically we're given an equation and need to find P in terms of Q. Okay, so to solve this question, let's take this 1 over 2, the 2, and multiply by 2 both sides. So essentially it becomes 2 logarithm of 1 over 2 root 2 p plus 2q, and then the base is 10, is equal to, now this part can be rewritten as logarithm of p multiplied by q, and the base is 10. This is the rule, the sum rule. Okay, now this 2 goes to the power. Logarithm of 1 over 2 root 2 p plus 2q squared is equal to, logarithm of pq, and the base is 10. Okay, let's distribute this square to the elements inside. 1 over 2 root 2 squared becomes 1 over 8, and then p plus 2q squared, and then of course there is logarithm of this value to the base of 10 is equal to logarithm of pq to the base of 10. Alright, so the bases are the same, which means the numbers inside are the same as well, pq. Alright, so let's multiply both sides by 8. Left hand side becomes just p plus 2q squared is equal to 8pq. Okay, hope it's clear up to this step. Let's expand. It becomes p squared plus 4pq plus 4q squared is equal to 8pq. Okay, so we have pq and pq. Let's take this 8pq to the left hand side, so that we have p squared. Now 4 minus 8 gives us negative 4pq plus 4q squared. Right hand side now is 0. Okay, we can factorize this last equation as p minus 2q squared is equal to 0. And after that, we have p minus 2q is equal to 0. And so, which means p is equal to 2q. Alright, is it clear? If it's not, let me know down below in the comments if I can elaborate, but hope it's clear. Alright, and the last question for today is taken from the 2017 May paper, and I think it's the easiest one. I did it on purpose so that you're not too tired. Alright, so this question is giving us an equation and we need to find the value of x. So now the left hand side we have x and 5, and there is minus sign. which means we can rewrite it as logarithm of x divided by 5, and the base is 2, is equal to 2 plus logarithm of 3, and the base is 2. Now let's take this logarithm to the left hand side. We have logarithm of x over 5 base 2 minus logarithm of 3 base 2 is equal to 2. Okay, we again have subtraction. So x over 5 divided by 3 gives us x over 15. And the base is 2 is equal to 2. Now the next step is we write it in the form 2 to the power of 2 is equal to x over 15. We are writing logarithmic equation in the exponential form. Alright, so 2 squared is 4 is equal to x over 15, which means x is equal to 4 multiplied by 15 is equal to 60. And this is the answer. Alright guys, this is it for today's class. Thanks so much for watching. Before I close this off, I just want to announce that I have launched an online course for IBDP Mathematics Standard Level and Higher Level. And I have put all the resources that I have accumulated over the years, problem sets, solutions, the lecture notes in this online course, and I have outlined everything by modules. There are 6 modules: algebra, functions, trigonometry, vectors, statistics, and calculus. This is IBDP Math Core, and yeah, you will be able to practice exam-like problems for each topic, be it scalar product or probability. Every topic has exam-style questions. So this will be useful for you guys to prepare for your exams, and you'll be able to access this online platform anytime and download the notes. You'll be able to access also the solutions to the problems and study on your own. And if you cannot understand by any chance, you'll be able to message me through the platform and I will respond to you guys. And so this course has just been launched. The prices will be remaining the same for the next 2 weeks, and after that the prices will be going up, so be sure to take action early. Before I close this off, I just want to say thanks so much guys for watching my videos, and the fact that you're watching this video means that you really want to succeed in mathematics, and this is so powerful, and I believe in you guys. I believe in you that you'll be successful in the end. You just need to put a little bit more practice, a little bit more extra effort, and you will achieve that result, that grade that you really want to achieve. And so I'm here to help in any way that I can, and I think the online course will be a good way to be connected with you guys. And yeah, be sure to check out the description below. And this is really a project that I believe in. I believe that it will be useful for many of you guys. I've been working on this online academy, online course for the past many months, and finally it's here, and this is a big day for me. So yeah, thanks again, and if you have any questions, thoughts, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.